Hi, this is Candy from Cute Little Keepsakes Co on Etsy. In this video I'm going to do a full tutorial on how to customise one of my designs using Cordial. If you need a quick reference to certain things like how to edit the title or how to change the hair, etc., you can click on the link in the description to the bite-sized how-tos, or you can go to the playlist on my YouTube channel. But for this tutorial you're going to need at least 10 minutes, so grab a glass or cup of your favourite drink and let's get started. What I suggest you do first is go through the advert pictures and make a note of the options like hairstyles, drinks and skin tones. This will make things a lot easier when customising the design. Zoom in, have a closer look. Okay, so I found the hairstyle that best matches the bride-to-be. So I'm going to look through the drinks and choose the skin tone. This is the quick reference, so you can quickly get to what you need in the template. The brown hairstyles are from page 1 to 21. Auburn hairstyles are from page 21 to 26, etc. All the different heads, hands, drinks. So once you've done that, we're ready to go. So you'll need to go to the email that you've registered with your Etsy account. You should have a message from Cordial and you can click on Edit Your Item. It will take you to the login page where you'll need to create a free account. Once you've done this, you'll have access to the design. So let me show you inside the program. Revert back to original. So that means if you've made major mistakes that you can't rectify, you can always click here and it will take you back to how it first looked. But here's the undo button that you can use immediately after making any mistakes, which is what I'd recommend instead of reverting back. Save changes. So you can save as many changes as you like throughout, and it's best practice to save as you go. So if you change the hairstyle, lock the layer and save. Change the drink, lock the layer and save, and so on. Just in case your laptop freezes or something happens, at least you've got some part of the customization saved. Approve proof. Only click this once you're completely satisfied with the final result. Once you've clicked this, you can no longer make any changes to the design. So check, double check, screenshot, get everyone involved, bridesmaids, etc. to look over everything, and then when you're 100% sure, click approve. In the middle, you've got the plus and minus button for zooming in and zooming out. And to the right, you've got the layers panel. Click here and you've got all the layers that you can edit within the design. Click on the image icon and it will show a green replace image button. Click that and you'll have access to all the different elements available. Lock icon is for locking layers. If the layers are locked, then you won't be able to click on it. And the trash can icon to delete permanently. It's better to hide the elements rather than permanently deleting, and I'll show you how to hide the elements later in the video. Okay, let's start by editing the title. So you've got 4 layers for this title: Kiss the Miss, Goodbye, Heart 1 and Heart 2. Add my text. Stretch it out and drag it across using the mouse or keyboard arrow keys. Move the heart across, make sure it's positioned correctly. Zoom in if I need to. Delete other heart. And you can also change the colour of the heart. I've got gold, rose gold, or you can delete the pink to reveal the original text, which is black. And save. Okay, now let's edit the name and date. Click on it. No need to align anything. Lock layer and save. Let's change her skin tone. Lock layer and save. Now let's change the sash. Click on replace sash. Place image, and there's 3 colours, black, rose gold and gold. I'm going to change it back to gold, lock layer and save. Let's change the hair. Zoom in for this. And first I'm going to show you how to do a top knot. I need to change the skin tone for the head. Brilliant. Lock layer and save. Right, we need to hide this crown. So instead of permanently deleting it, we can hide it. So let's do that. So you've got the crown and you've got the blank space next to it. Let's click on that. So I need to adjust the hair on the head. So let's hide the veil for now. So I've got wide veil, slim veil and hide veil. Let's lock all 3 layers and align the hair on the head. Okay, she's actually got dark hair, so let's change the hair again. And we don't actually need the head for this hairstyle, so I'll show you how to hide it. We're going to go back to the heads. And it's the blank space here. And it's gone. Move the hair over. Lovely. Now let me show you how the Minnie Mouse hairband will look. Zoom out, see what she looks like. Brilliant. Okay, I'll quickly show you how to hide the headband now. And it's this blank space next to the headband. And we can lock that layer. Okay, I'm going to add the crown back now. So you can see that it's a lot smaller, so we'll need to adjust it. And lock layer. I'm going to put the veil back on now. Click on the no veil layer as it's hidden. I'm going to select wide veil, lock layer and save. So I've deleted the text on veil, but I'd like to put it back, but there's no layer for it. So this time what I'm going to do is click on add new image. And I'm going to choose the gold text colour. Move it up. Make sure it's aligned with the cross centre. Lock layer. And save. Now I'm going to change the hand's skin tone. Lock layer and replace drink. Let's choose a bottle. Resize it. Actually, let's undo that so I can show you that it's not in proportion. Okay, let me resize it now. Brilliant. Lock layer. You may want to have a coffee hand or a large drink, so let me show you the other hand gestures. Coffee hand. Adjust it and lock layer. And I'm going to look for a Starbucks. Adjust it. Zoom out and have a look. That's great. And I'll quickly show you the hand for a cup or a mason jar. Lock the drink layer before moving on to choosing the hand. There we go. Adjust it. Lock the layer and let's quickly change the drink. Zoom out, have a look and save. She's actually having a glass of champagne, so let me quickly just change that back. So the glass is a bit smaller now, so I'm going to adjust the size. Save, zoom out, have a look over everything, make sure all the layers are locked, double check everything's all good, and when you're 100% satisfied, approve proof.